So we're going to look at trends in drug costs over time. Drug costs have significantly increased over the past several decades, outpacing general inflation for sure. For instance, over the last 50 years, prescription drugs have grown to comprise a much larger share of healthcare spending. So when we're looking at the total cost of a health plan and we look at a pie chart, we'll see that the percentage of that pie chart of the total costs are growing and growing and growing. This has been driven particularly by the structure and operations of PBMs, potentially. Data from recent reports revealed that pharmacy-related costs can now account for up to 20 to 30% of total healthcare plan costs, a significant jump from the past. This increase is often attributed to a combination of rising drug prices, PBM practices, and growing prevalence of expensive specialty drugs. So, in my opinion, it has most to do with the rising cost of drugs and specialty medications and practices that are really being rough on smaller compound pharmacies that are providing some alternative medicines for people. It is extremely rough for these smaller compound pharmacies to do business, and more legislation and more regulation is making it more and more expensive to create drugs independently outside of a very large pharmaceutical company. And again, we look at the market. So if we have a healthy market of true competition, we will see more competitive pricing. So unfortunately, over the years, we have seen consolidation in the areas of even generic drugs, and particularly in specialty medications and injectable medications. The bigger pharmaceutical companies want to push big brand name drugs as opposed to allowing people to use compound pharmacies. Of course, there needs to be education for people as far as what they're getting with a compound pharmacy